Hello. So we are back here, Wednesday. And what do we have here? We have a TV. The problem with this one, you press the power button and nothing happens. Yeah. And I believe, yeah, here you have a backlight problem. Okay. We can fix them. Yeah. But let's check first exactly what this TV is doing. Yeah. So I'll plug the TV. Yeah, the TV is on. Let's use the multimeter, but probably we can't see, yeah? But we can check. Let's use the multimeter. It's volts, yeah? So you check the multimeter? 12, 9. That's the point when actually 127, 6. It's you can see there on the multimeter. So that's the point when actually with a digital multimeter you can't understand what's going on there. So you can see the voltage changing, but you have no idea what's going on there and what kind of signal do you have there. There is supposed like over 100 volts. Is saying on the motherboard. Yeah. So probably this. Let me see how many inches. It's not saying. Probably 42 inch. 157. No. Probably it's 39 inch. 133 volts should be. Is saying on the output there on the board. So instead of having that voltage, which is the LED voltage, this is just a basic TV with the LEDs all on serial mode, or maybe combine serial with parallel inside, but from the LED here are 2 wires only coming here, yeah? So we don't know what's going on there and why the voltage is jumping, yeah? What I can do if we don't have an analog multimeter, yeah? I'll take the power out, yeah? Because we have to find out if we have a backlight problem or we have a problem with the digital board, you know, with the everything there, yeah? The easy way to check, I'm using a bulb, yeah? Because with the bulb, you can see what kind of voltage do you have there, how the voltage is changing, yeah? Okay? So I'm using this bulb. Just to see, you know, it's easy. Just to have an idea what's going on there. Yeah? Okay. Let's plug now the power. You see that? It's not anymore. Okay, now it's doing nothing. Let's try power off the TV. And power on. Yeah, let's check. You see that flash? You seen that flash? Let me shut it down. So the TV is still responding. On. A small flash of light. Hopefully you can see that. Because from this flash we can jump on a lot of conclusions. Yeah, one more time. It's not flashing anymore. Well, let me unplug the power. You know, the problem is with these things, they are very protected. So instead of having like a power supply, which is always on, they are using a smart one, which actually is checking the current. And if the current is not the right one, he'll shut down the power. Yeah? That's the explanation why we have let me power on. Yeah, you seen that flash? I was looking on the monitor to see exactly if that flash is seen there, yeah? So what that flash is meaning? That flash is meaning the backlight power supply is starting, yeah? The voltage goes up. The current reading is not the right one, because even with this bulb should be a current reading there, but it's not the right one. And if it's not the right one, the power supply, it will shut down the power. That's why we have a flashing light there, yeah? Probably if I will use more bulbs on the parallel mode, or I can use a bigger bulb, I can match the current which this screen needed, yeah? Okay, so you understand how it works. Like how I said on many of my videos when I fix TVs, the LEDs are controlled by current, not by voltage. Because many said, you know what, if you short a LED, the other LEDs will be brighter, which is totally wrong. Yeah, they are current controlled, and it's not important if you have one LED or 100 LEDs, they will light up the same. Okay, good. So I will say, let's open this one, because obviously we have a problem with a backlight, yeah, based on the behavior of the power supply, yeah. Okay, that's what I think. We don't have a power supply issue, we have a backlight issue. Just based on this behavior, actually the current is coming up, the voltage is coming up, and it shut down quickly. Yeah, so the board is saying something is wrong with the current, and it's shutting down the power supply, yeah, the backlight power supply. Okay, but this is just a behavior from this TV. I seen on different TVs actually all the TV is shutting down. It's shutting down and it's restarting. Not this one, this TV is staying on, but it's cutting down the power from the backlight. Okay, yeah, clear? Okay, okay, I will say, you know what, let's open this screen. I don't know how to do it because this is a big TV and my desk is too small. If I go on the other side on that table, it will be easy, but I can't do video from there. So what we should think? Yeah, I should do the TV there and come back when the screen is out. What do you think? Or I can do it here. Let's see. Okay, so my mouse is on the floor. Where is my OBS? The OBS is still working. and it's still recording. Okay, that's good. That's good. You know what I think? I think I will go there and I will come back when the screen is open, okay? Good. See you later. Hello. So we're back, yeah? It took me exactly 10-12 minutes to take out the screen. It's so easy, yeah? It's so easy. On this model it's very easy. So I turn back the TV, has some screws, clamps, and that's all. The TV is, the screen with all the filters on the back, is there. So we have the, what do I found inside, yeah? That's what I found inside. So this was like dropped here around, yeah? That's what I found inside. Now the main thing is, how do we check and how we can find exactly what LEDs are dead, yeah? Let me take out the connector from the screen. So the connector is out. How do we check? That's a good idea. I think we have to take even this out. Let me see how I can take this out, yeah? Because, okay, yeah, I know how. There are some things here. Yeah, I know how. Give me 1 second, yeah? You know, it's worth to learn fixing TVs. I'll tell you why. The components are cheap. So actually a full board, you can buy all the board, like the power supply or the logic board, you know, you can buy like for 15, 20, 25 from eBay. That's one reason, you know. Just I try to explain to you, like, not to fix them, replace them. You can fix them also. Okay. This just jump out. The second problem is, yeah, there are a lot of TVs with this fault, yeah. Okay, that's out. You can see. I'll try to take this plastic. Okay, that's another one. Okay, this is another one. My phone is ringing. Oh yeah, it's supposed to be like that. Well, I'm really sorry for the phone, but I can't answer on the phone right now. Or maybe it's from school. It's not. Give me 1 second, yeah? It's not necessary. Okay. Okay, this is out. Okay, these things are there just to keep down the paper. That's all. So we can take out the paper. Maybe, yeah. That's good. Why these are jumping like that? I can't believe. This is supposed to be sticking there. This is just it's a magnifier plastic, yeah? And a diffuser, you know, a diffuser, so actually it's diffusing the light. Nothing else. Let me check on the floor, because I think it's one more. Yeah, it is one more. So I think I have to stick them back. Okay. So how we can check this thing? How we can check which... That, oh, I can't believe it. It's another one. Poor quality. Poor quality. Very poor quality. Another one. Okay, how we can check them, yeah? That's the question. So let's have a look. What do we have here, yeah? Here. So we have the wires from the motherboard. It's coming here, from here, here, and yeah, all in serial mode. One is dying, everything is gone. So I will check. So this is the half. So I will check each this. So like two halves on each line, yeah? You can see. You see the half is here with the connectors. So like one half, another half, yeah? And the full line is here. Plus, minus, you can see here. Plus, minus, plus and minus. Okay. So I will check exactly how the board is working. Current, yeah? So I will stick the voltage high. I will put the amps low. So let's try plus and minus. More voltage. Yeah. Okay, that's 10 milliamps more. Yeah, that's better. That's better. So yeah, just look on the current reading, 150 milliamps. Yeah, if I will be, so it's full, it's full line, it's on. Yeah, one more time. So if I will be just use the power for the second one, yeah, now it's for the second one. I haven't changed the voltage. Yeah, so I can check only one LED. It's not important. This is current controlled. Yeah, so I just set up the current, fixed current, and the voltage it's up. It's around 30 volts. It's not even important. When I power up this, the voltage get dropped to 27, and here the voltage get dropped to 17 volts. But what is important is the current. Yeah. So here we have the full line. Yeah. So this line is working. On this line, one is dead. You can see this one. This is dead. This one is dead. It's not lighting up. This is a smart thing, yeah? So actually the LED when it's dying is getting shorted. And that's a very good thing. Just because they are current controlled, if one LED is shorted, nothing will happen with the rest. So the line will still work, yeah? So this line is good. The problem is not from here. Yeah, let's check the other one. The other line is good. Here we have nothing. All are good. All are working. Yeah, let's check the other line. All are good. No short and nothing. Yeah, all good. Let's check the other one. All good. Nothing shorted. Let's check the last one. The last one is dead. Yeah? So on the last one, if I try minus and plus, nothing. You can't see, sorry. Minus, plus, nothing. Yeah? Minus, plus, the line is working. Yeah? Minus, plus, it's not working. Let's see which half is not working, the first or the second half. So I will try here on the middle. to come with the power supply and check. Minus, plus. Okay, that half is working. You can see it. It's on. So that's good. This is not good. So one of these, 1, 2, 3, 4. One of these 4 is burned, and is burned. These are coming out so easily. I will stick them back anyway. But this is sick. Okay, so one of these, 1, 2, 3, 4 is dead, and it's interrupted. Yeah, it's not shorted, and that's bad. That's bad because one LED which is interrupted, it will make your TV dead. So actually this shorted one from here, yeah, this shorted one from here is doing nothing. You can't even see the difference on the screen. Even if I will take out like 5, you will see nothing on the screen. The picture will be the same, yeah. So how we can check to see exactly which one is gone or not? I will take each LED, yeah. So which one? This is plus. So this is plus, yeah. If this is plus, this should be minus, yeah, and it's working, yeah. Same thing. I haven't changed the, yeah. So one more time, yeah. I'm really sorry you can't see exactly what's going on here, yeah. Plus, minus, all the LEDs are on, yeah, because they're current controlled. So I'm powering up 5 LEDs. Now we same setup, same voltage, yeah. I'm going and power up 1 LED, yeah. That's what I'm trying to explain you. That's when it's current controlled. Doesn't matter the voltage. Doesn't matter how many LEDs you have on the serial mode. Because many people, they do confusion. They say, well, I know I done few videos about the backlight, and they say, you know what, that's a dodgy job because the other LEDs will light up more powerful and they will get burned more easily. But it's not true, yeah. Okay, let's check. Okay, these, they have the cover. Let's check this one. This doesn't have the cover. Let's check this one. And this one is good. So does mean it's one of these two. This is dead. If this is dead, I will connect here plus and minus, yeah. And I will short that LED. Short. And all are on, yeah. So my issue is this LED, which is interrupted. You can see all the line is on. So if I will short this LED, my TV will be back to life. Okay, that's what I will do. So you understand how you check the backlight. And this is an easy job. It's a lot of money involved. We are charging like 80 pounds for this kind of job, yeah. Now the hard part is I can't use glue, hot glue, no, because this will get hot. Maybe I can. Or maybe not. No, I will use epoxy. I have this, which is a nice one. And I epoxy, 2-in-1. And I will stick back all these things. Let me get the hot air to remove the LED. I need a nozzle. Again, it took me 10 minutes or 12 minutes to take out the screen. Easy job and safe. You just turn back the TV, and when you take out this cover, everything's staying down on the same order and same everything. Let's take that LED out. You can replace the LED, don't get me wrong, yeah, but even if I remove 5, you will see no difference on the screen, yeah. the LED is out. They are using more LEDs, yeah. So you need like to have like a uniform picture. You need like half of this, half of the LEDs. But they are putting more because the LED is meant to die, is meant to go shorted, yeah. So if the half of the LED goes shorted, the TV will still work fine, yeah. So don't get these things wrong. So there's no point replacing, is no difference on the screen, is no difference on the current flowing, yeah. That's a nice bridge. Let's check now, yeah. Let's check now the line. And the line is working fine. Obviously we have that dead one, yeah, a shorted one, but everything is working fine, yeah. Okay, so what I will do now, I'll stop the video again. I will stick with the epoxy all these round things, yeah. I will put all back together and I will come back for testing, yeah. Okay, see you later. Hello, yeah, so we are back, we finished. It took me like 15 minutes, so everything is fine. I don't know how can I show you. How can I do it? Yeah, everything is fine, no problems with the light, with anything, yeah. So I can show you on that one. Yeah, so it's full picture, no problems at all. Okay, so that's the way how you can fix the TV, yeah. Let's see if I can press the menu. Yeah, I can, yeah. Full picture, no problems at all, yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one, yeah. Hopefully you'll learn how to diagnose these kind of problems, the backlight issues, yeah. Bye.